Now, let's watch an interesting video about latitudes and longitudes. The globe represents the planet Earth. Lines on the globe. These lines are called grid lines. So, grid lines are imaginary lines that used to help us to find the position or locate the place and calculate distance and time on Earth's surface. Poles. The top and bottom of the Earth are called the poles. The top is the North Pole and the bottom is the South Pole. Axis. On the top we have North Pole and at bottom we have South Pole. So axis is an imaginary line that goes through Earth's center. The Earth's axis passes through North Pole to South Pole. The Earth rotates from west to east on its axis. Equator. Equator is another imaginary line. The equator is a parallel line that divides the Earth into two equal parts. The equator is the longest of all lines. It is also known as Great Circle. Hemisphere. The equator divides the Earth into two hemispheres, Northern Hemisphere and Southern Hemisphere. Equator is located at 0-degree latitude. Latitude. The lines running from east to west parallel to the equator are called lines of latitudes. A latitude is measured in degrees. Parallels of latitudes. All parallel circled from equator up to the poles are called parallels of latitudes. The equator represents 0-degree latitude. The length of the lines of latitude decreases from the equator towards the pole due to the geoid shape or spherical shape of the Earth. From the equator, we have 90 latitudes or 90 lines to north and 90 latitudes or 90 lines to south. So 90 latitudes in northern hemisphere and 90 latitudes in southern hemisphere. Plus equator, we have total of 181 latitudes. Important parallels of latitudes. The center of the Earth is equator. It is 0-degree latitude. Tropic of Cancer is at 23.5 degree north in northern hemisphere. Tropic of Capricorn is 23.5 degrees south in southern hemisphere. Arctic Circle is at 66.5 degree north in northern hemisphere. And Antarctic Circle is at 66.5 degrees south in southern hemisphere. Longitudes. Longitudes are imaginary lines drawn vertically connecting the North Pole and the South Pole are called lines of longitudes or meridians of longitudes. All lines of longitudes are semicircles. Prime meridian. The prime meridian is at 0-degree, which passes through Greenwich in England, where British Royal Laboratory is located. Lines of longitudes are measured from the center of the Earth. The prime meridian divides the Earth into Eastern Hemisphere and Western Hemisphere. There are totally 360 lines of longitudes. These are joined together or merged at the poles. It is equally divided into 180 degree west and 180 degree east. 0-degree to 180 degree west is called western longitude and 0 degree to 180 degree east is called the eastern longitudes. That's all about latitudes and longitudes. Now, watch your modules carefully, go through your text and get back to me with your doubts. Thank you.